Good morning, Paul Georgie from Allendale. It's October 12th, Wednesday morning. The USDA gave us some exciting numbers here again this morning, something for everybody. And bottom line, looks a little bit negative for corn, neutral to friendly for soybeans. We've got to remember the market's going to react off of a sharply higher market yesterday. Corn prices, corn has got a 60-cent limit. But get to some of the numbers here. The yield, first of all, in corn, they kept the same, 148.1, when the trade was expecting a 148.9. Soybean yield came in at 41.5. That was actually lower from last month, and the trade was expecting an increase there. However, in the ending stocks number, trade was looking for 795, came in at 866 on the ending stocks for corn. Wheat ending stocks increased sharply from last month, 761, up to 837 this month in wheat. Soybeans is where the surprise is. Again, lowering ending stocks to 160. From 165 last month. The trade was expecting a 181. The total corn crop, 12 billion 433 million bushel. That was a little lower than the trade average. Soybeans, 3,060,000. The planted acreage numbers and harvested numbers are another factor here, with not very much change, kind of in line with what the trade was looking for. Corn planted acres were lowered by 385,000 acres, and the harvested was lowered by 452,000 acres in corn. Another fact that we've got to be concerned about is the world ending stocks. They put world ending stocks for corn at 123.2. That's up from the 117.4, so almost 6 million metric ton increase in world ending stocks in corn. Wheat ending stocks in the world went from 194.6 up to 202.1, and soybean ending stocks actually went up as well, from 62.6 up to 63. So a lot of numbers to look through here. Bottom line is we're going to have to call the market lower here this morning. Initial reactions off of this report, a 10 to 15 cent lower in corn. Probably a steady call in the soybeans right now, and the wheat, a 10 to 15 lower call there off of the report. Now, other news, and another report that we're going to be monitoring here very closely, that I think that is probably as critical as this report, and that's the 8 o'clock report when the USDA announces daily sales. There's been rumor overnight. The Reuters, Dow Jones, Newswires have reported that some executives close to the situation state that 1.5 million tons of corn has been sold to China yesterday. So a reason for this 40-cent higher move in corn that we seen yesterday. There was talk of it. They've been talking about this for several times now. It's kind of like crying wolf. If you cry wolf enough, the wolf egg gets here, and this is what's happened yesterday, where it appears the Chinese have bought some corn, 1.5 million tons. There's 2 million tons of soybeans rumored to have been purchased, but most of that seems to be out of Argentina. At least that's the stories on the wires right now, and I don't know if that is enough news. Even if we get a confirmation here this morning from the USDA, if that's enough to support the overall downward pressure and profit taking that we might see here this morning at the Chicago Board of Trade. So early calls here after the report, a bit on the negative side, 10 to 15 lower in corn and wheat, steady lower in soybeans, although you remember soybeans were up 60 cents yesterday. And some other factors that are affecting the market here this morning is the financial situation. You've got the Slovaks. Slovakia did not pass the ESFS money to recapitalize banks and to help out Greece. So they're the 17th out of the 17 countries that needed to pass. However, overnight it's been stated that they are making a deal within the country, and they're going to go back for a revote possibly as early as today to pass that. So that's got the trade selling the dollar, buying the euro again, and the dollar down sharply here this morning. So that could provide some more support for the grain markets. The livestock trade, after the report, cattle market has firmed up a little bit. Hogs under a little pressure because of cash markets is more than any other cause. In the hog trade, cash market supplies are plentiful, and we're seeing some pressure there that actually could carry over into the futures contract. The cattle, based on the charts, are right up against resistance again, a downtrend line. A higher market here today could add some more buying on top of this as we take out these trend lines. So monitor that very closely. Give us a call here at Allendale, and we'll give you some exact numbers on what we're thinking is where these trigger points might be, so you can contact any Allendale representative and get that information. So a lot of excitement here today. Expect some volatile markets. Use good risk management here, and give us a call and we'll help you work through it. So you can reach us at 800-262-7538. We wish you a very successful trading day, and I'll talk to you tomorrow morning. Thank you.